In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an audio spectrum for free in 2024. If you want to learn how to make content effortlessly, scan the QR code, check out the video description, or click the link down below and subscribe to the channel if you find value. Step 1. Open up a new tab in your browser or search engine and type in Adobe After Effects Download. Go to their main website, and once the website has been loaded, you want to either click the free trial or click Buy Now. And once the downloaded has been completed, slap the program open. The next step is to drag on or locate the music file piece that you would like to transform into an audio spectrum. After you've done that, click New Composition and name this whatever you would like in this case, and then click OK. The next step is to click on your audio piece and drag it down to the timeline so it's loaded like so. The next step is to click on the audio piece if it's not already highlighted, and go on your top screen and click Layer and click New, and then click Solid, and in this case it's a dark gray solid, and then click OK. The next step is to click on your dark solid and make sure it's still selected or highlighted, and then go on to Effect and then scroll down until you see Generate. And then once loaded, you want to scroll down and click this option, or the third option, Audio Spectrum. And once loaded, you want to go under the audio layer and click the drop down arrow and make sure this is the second track or your audio piece. In this case, as you can see, we have some audio currently displaying on the screen. And now we're going to mess or adjust the settings. You can follow along or mess with them afterwards. So in this case, start frequency, end frequency, bands we're going to change to 800, bands we're going to change to 80, maximum height 800, thickness 5 or 6, softness 25%, and inside and outside color you can change however you would like or do it accordingly. In this case, I'm changing it to color green to match the audio piece. Now this is where it gets cool. Under display options, now this is currently what we have. Again, not too bad. Under display options, this is what analog lines look like. And this is what analog dots look like. As you can currently see on the screen, that's not too bad. I'm going to change this back to digital because I like the way that this looks. And I'm also going to change the side options to just one side so that the audio is only playing on one side. As you can see, this is the before. And this is the after.
Again, if you want to save hundreds of hours of money per year editing content, then check out the video description, scan the QR code, or click the link down below. And thanks for watching this tutorial.